Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today's the first day of April 2021. We're going to give you all the price prediction update as usual on our channel to ensure that we are always in position. We are one step ahead of everyone else who participates into the market so that we can continually predict, profit, and win. Before I break down our last price prediction into the market in Cardano and give you our expectations as to where the market is going to go into the future, you appreciate it. As always, show your support by hitting the like button, sharing the video, and also subscribing to this channel. We want to make sure that you stay updated whenever the price direction changes in terms of where we're looking for the market to go, just so that we can always be in the know. So tap that bell notification as well. So you can see here that we've had this prediction going on over the last 6-7 days in the market in Cardano, literally expecting to see some strength come through. And we may actually have to get rid of this prediction today. We're not seeing the market in Cardano really emphasizing the momentum, the strength, as so many other cryptocurrencies have seen the last 3 trading days, like Ethereum. Ethereum have seen a massive movement to the upside comparative to what the price direction has been going through for Cardano. So right now, you all can see that there has been some indications that the market has been going through a selling phase. All right, these 3 days right here institutes and shows us that the market definitely got hit with a lot more selling than there were buyers into the market. So we need to answer the question, is the strength still here? Can the trap still maintain all of the selling that has been going on the last 4 days and push the price higher? We really need to answer that question, because if not, the only direction that we're going to see is to the downside. So real quick, let's take a look at the market in Cardano on a 3-day time frame, and really it's a wash. Okay, this particular 3-day price bar right here literally lets us know that the market is a wash. It could go either direction, at least in the next 3 days. We can still see the market in Cardano go higher in price, and we can see it go lower. Now, the only reason why I say the market in Cardano can still go lower is because what happened on this particular 3-day price bar. Okay, so we have to look at this on a different time frame to see if we could get a different picture or motive of the trap. All right, so let's do this on a 5-day time frame. And again, not a lot is going on. I mean, the market in Cardano is literally staying stagnated. It is comfortable trading around $1.20, which is the current environment. This is the status as of what the market feels as of the moment, and there's nothing wrong with that. You know, the market can trade sideways for weeks to months to even years in some cases, to where it hasn't broken out of its particular trading range. Cardano is going through one right now. But I will say that the market is not truly all that weak, right? Looking at this on a 5-day time frame, I'm not really too concerned with looking at the weakness coming into the market yet. Based off all of the selling that has been going on over the last 2 months, the month of March, we haven't really seen that massive indication that a change in direction is going to come through to push down the price in Cardano. We're not seeing that yet. Weekly time frame, again, even the last weekly price bar, we're seeing into the market that Cardano can go either way, and we got to face the facts that can happen. That the market is still in a undecisional mind frame to where it doesn't know which direction it wants to go. We've already seen that on the 3-day time frame. We got even here on the weekly time frame. So let's see how we ended the month of April for Cardano, excuse me. You guys can see here that we actually got some weakness to end out the month of March. So in the long term, there is definitely here some hints of weakness entering the market based off what the trap has conducted throughout the whole month of March. He was able to offload some of his Cardano tokens or cryptocurrency and push the price to the downside. Now this month, April, we need to see a recovery. No, not necessarily recovery. We just need to see the price move back up towards $1.30, $1.40, and then eventually make an all-time highs again in Cardano. Okay. So on the 2-day time frame, again, not too much going on. So what do you think? Should we keep this prediction on going to the market in Cardano, expecting the price to go higher, or should we let it go, expecting the market in Cardano to go lower? looking at all the time frames that we already shown you, what do you think? Because you need to try to anticipate where price is going to go so that you can win in the future. So for us, what we're going to do, we're going to continue to keep our prediction ongoing. Then look at this on the hourly time frame to see if I need to change that. And as of this moment, I don't see nothing on the 13-hour time frame. I'm not really too concerned on the 9-hour time frame. 7-hour, there is weakness here, but obviously there is enough demand coming through into the market in Cardano that is not really affecting the price to lower it. So I really don't see nothing on the 7-hour. The 5-hour time frame, there's still a lot of emphasis of weakness. There's something, well, not something, but there's a big player into the market in Cardano, whether they're buying or whether they're selling the majority stake of their ADA tokens into the market is what's going on in this time period right here. Okay, that is pretty much what is going on. So what we're going to do on this particular video, we're going to leave it alone. We're not going to alter or change our prediction just yet. Just let you know, over the last 3 days, we have seen some market weakness come through though, and we acknowledge that, but it's not to the point to where we would need to come in and change our prediction to anticipate the market to go lower in price. Yes, the market has got hit with overwhelmingly a lot more sellers than buyers, but it hasn't affected the price. And when that's the case, when you have that contradiction, you continue to stay the course, and that's what we're going to do. We've had this prediction going on into the market for Cardano for what, the last 6 days. We've been expecting the market in Cardano to go higher in price, and as you all can see, it hasn't even done it yet. We still maintain sideways trading, so 6 days into a prediction, and we still have to wait to see whether or not our prediction is right. But from everything we've seen on the varying time frames, I don't see too much that will warn that we are not correct, but it can definitely occur considering what has occurred the last 3 days. But as I said, until the market breaks the trend of us shooting higher in price, then we're going to continue to move forward. So now I want you to get your all opinion about Cardano. Like I said, every 3 days we come in and do an update into the market for Cardano. I want you all to tell me, where do you think the market in ADA Cardano is headed? Do you still think the market has the ability to go higher in price? Or do you think the market is going to continue to go lower? Just drop us a comment in the comment section and tell everyone in our community, where do you predict price to be? And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.